Yeah, I'm back. Ronald Lee Kidwell, the known supremacist, who murdered his girlfriend, which was a divester. Let's read a little bit of the article. A Kansas man accused in the murder of a woman whom he thought would expose him for being HIV positive. These divestors are divesting to these brads with AIDS. Read the article. Let's continue to read. A Kansas man accused in the murder of a woman who he thought would expose him for being HIV positive is a white supremacist with a history of attacks on black people. His daughter told the Kansas City Star, but yet and still, you divestors are divesting to this shit. Ronald Lee Kidwell, 47, of Shawnee, Kansas, claims that he killed Michonne Cooper, 43, in self-defense, but her loved ones don't believe him, telling the Star that she was known for her geniality. Cooper of Kansas City was reported missing in early July, and she was found dead on July 14 when Kidwell led investigators to the trash can in his garage. He put her in the trash can. Do that sound familiar? Trash bags? Where he said he had hidden her body, the Star reports. He was charged with second-degree murder on July 16th, but those who know Kidwell say it should be. His neighbor, Kathleen Brown, told the newspaper the killing is 100% hate crime. Wow. Kidwell goes by the nickname One Eye, and a relative told the Star that Kidwell lost his eye when he was 7 in a dog attack. His cousin told the newspaper that most Kidwell's family had disowned him because of his racist views. Divestor Zilla doing a good job on y'all ass. Whenever I was around him, he talked about white power, Turner told the newspaper, adding, it didn't surprise me that the victim was black. This is the man, Ronald Lee Kidwell. Black girl divested, call herself choosing better. Look at the shit she chose. Damn, divestors ain't got no taste. She divested to this thing, and he killed her. Put a 5.5 in the comments, fellas. We out.